Right then, it is the January transfer window. However, we are missing some funds, basically. We do have some money. Some. 5.8 million. It's probably not enough to do anything as things stand. However, I am open to letting Kasper Schmeichel go to sign a new goalkeeper. He's dropping in rating. He's 34. He's made some mistakes in recent times, and it might be time to see him go. So I'm going to add him to the transfer list and gauge what chat's reaction is to that. I do have a couple of other goalkeepers I could sell, including Jakupovic, although he's only got 6 months left on his contract, so I can't really sell him because he's going to only sign for someone on a free. I could sell Danny Ward as well to try and raise some funds. We could sell... I don't know. Could sell Daniel Amate. Could sell Chowdhury. Matty James. I'd be willing to let him go, obviously. He might already be on the transfer list. He is. King is out on loan. Tavares. I'm not sure. It might be time to change it to replace Jamie Vardy as well. Oh, that would be brave in a Leicester save, but he's dropped in rating and he's only going to get worse and less effective. So I think now is probably the best time to move Vardy on. Oof, big decision. So we have about 5.6 million, 5.8 million, and a number of players on the transfer list. Jakupovic just won't agree contract terms with anyone. These are all our incomings. Are we still looking to sell James Forrest? I'm not sure. I think so, actually. He is transfer listed, isn't he, James Forrest? We were looking to sell him on to raise some extra funds. If I cast my mind back previously to earlier episodes. Yeah, he is on the transfer list. So we'll try and sell James Forrest. I mean, I'd let Vardy and Kasper Schmeichel retire here, but I need the money. Most importantly, I need the money. You think I should let Vardy retire at Leicester? Blue just gifted a subscription to Josh. Thank you very much. I'm a bit surprised, but a bit glad that you've taken the steps without me having to ask. I'm just exploring. I'm just exploring. Don't usually make streams here today to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Keep on the Merry Christmas. Thank you, Minchester. Thank you for dropping in to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. I'm going to sim this game in the Cup against Watford and hope that we can get victory and get ourselves through to the next round of the FA Cup. I doubt it, though, with that reserve side, but here's hoping. We live in hope. Oh. Hope quickly dashed after 4 minutes. Never mind. Jamie Vardy scores from the penalty spot. Mint Jester, AJ. James Forrest, man who hopefully will be about to leave us. No worries, Liam. Catch you later, my man. Thank you for dropping in. Enjoy your Christmas, my dude. Nathan Ake seals us a 4th round spot. That'll do very nicely indeed. Nicola Pepe, you still got your place in the squad, my man. An approach has been made for Ryan Loft. That's fine. I mean, you start every game, Nicola, so you really don't have anything to worry about, dude. Start every important game anyway. This is on PC, PR, yes. Oh, look, transfer talks broke down. What a surprise. I bet he couldn't agree contract terms. Bale will be alright to play now, won't he? What does the injury list say? 4 days with a torn groin. He's 80% match fit. We'll start Fraser for this one. Thanks for the sparks, Bartman. Welcome to the stream, my dude. James Manston gives us a good 1-0 lead. I'm looking forward to the lead series as well, Mohammed. Very much so. Xbox haven't deleted the Mixer app. At least they shouldn't have deleted the Mixer app. Tick. I don't believe they have. It was still there on my console when I last had it on yesterday. Well, that's a solid enough victory, isn't it? Josh is in the Discord already, Bloop. Changing back makes it easier. Fair enough. Unless you select me more, you're going to have to consider your future here. Yuri, you literally just played, mate. Yuri Tidwans is complaining about first team football when he's playing first team football. Bro. Transfer for James Forrest. Haha! Bashak here. I don't know if they're going to be able to afford his wages, but do I just accept 10 million or do I try and negotiate a little bit more? I'm not sure if I want to or if I'll get away with it. Just accept. Okay. Bam. Oh, no. Bam. There we go. And, oh, £156,000. Whilst that would be nice in real life, it's not really much for career mode. Tottenham. Transfer for Benkovic. No. I don't think Benkovic is a player I want to let go. Hey, Sin. I said Sin, not Siri. Go away. You wanted to talk to me? No, Siri, I didn't. Spurs at home then, I think, will be the first game that we play today. They're third. We are sixth, just 4 points off them. Could go above United and Chelsea and up into... Oh, actually, not Chelsea. We could go above United, certainly, with a win. Even with a draw, we'd go above United. Liverpool's still tearing away from everyone at the top of the table. Let's play Tottenham. Bale should be fit now, right? And indeed he is. He's going down in rating though. He's in bad morale too. Was there a pre-match press conference I could go to? There wasn't. Oh. Alright, Spurs at home with no pre-match press conference it is then. This is going to be a difficult game. Very difficult game. Spurs are a pain in my backside whenever I play them the majority of the time. Ah, shite. Good evening, Wellard. How are we, sir?Maybe you are my phone, Sin. Maybe you are. Sin and Ash, how long are you with me for tonight? Can be here all night as long as you want me for. Good. When it gets to 8 o'clock, give me a nudge.
Well, he could be the star turn in this game. 2 goals in his previous match and 2 really good ones as well.
I don't know why I'm doing it. We don't need to sit watch. It's not a YouTube video. I can just pause and do this. Who's Tottenham's starting lineup? Well, I mean, technically, actually, it is a YouTube video, isn't it? I suppose. John Stone's in there. And the rest looks pretty as you would expect it, to be fair. I prefer not to speak. I prefer not to speak. Great result for Chelsea on Sunday. Yeah, brilliant. Always thrilled with a win over Tottenham in real life. Be thrilled with a win over Tottenham on FIFA here as well. Oh, it's been ages since we played this save. When I loaded up, it said the last time I saved this particular this particular manager mode, was the 2nd of December. It's been almost a month since we last played this save on stream. That's how much we've dedicated to Ultimate Team recently. Oh, very nearly off to a great start. I'll have that. No, I won't.
This is today's Tottenham Hotspur team. Hugo Lloris starts in goal. Ben Davies starts, looking to continue his good form at the back.
Somebody please tell you to stop buying 100k packs. How are there? Is it a lightning round, or are there some set in the store? It's set 100k. Don't buy any, Sin. Don't buy any yet. Save it for later. Ooh! You only bought one. Got Ramsey. Yep. Makes sense. Save your money for now. Wait till you get some money for Christmas. Then you can spend it. So you can spend your Christmas money on FIFA points, can't you? Rather than spending it all now. You know how much you can afford to spend. When you know, oh, what a header by Heung-min Son. Been playing Battlefront 2 actually lately. It's actually fun. I've heard good things actually. I have heard good things about Battlefront 2. I think I've got it. I don't know whether I've got Battlefront 2 or just Battlefront 1. Go march. Oh, and the Spurs. Go marching in. Oh. John Stones has destroyed me there. Ndombele.
Sissoko. Here's Ali. His teammates have recognised the potential of this attack. Hey. It could be. Still trying to get his shot.
Thank you. Oh, it's on EA Access, is it? Of course it is.
Tackle goes in.
Got a bit lucky there. Indeedy. Yuri, he can hit them. Not very well on that occasion. You want to strengthen your right back position in a West Bromwich Albion career mode. Would I buy Jayden Bogle or Max Aarons? Personally, I've only used Jayden Bogle, I think. I think I signed Max Aarons in a save once, but never really used him. But I think Max Aarons has a higher potential, so it depends what you want. Bogle was very solid for me in the Cambridge series last year, so I can't really recommend Aarons because I haven't used him, so I have no experience with him. But Jayden Bogle was very solid for me.
Here's Ali. Well, he wants to run at them with the ball. It's good to see. Patiently building up. Now he can cross it. Well, that had been
They've
very
got
promising,
Ali.
but no
Dele Ali. Just don't think we understand.
room for the cross.
Hines.
In towards
Oh, that's not a bad cross, actually. I think I headed that behind for a corner. I did. Thanks for the host, JM. Hey, Kingy. Merry Christmas Eve to you too, my man.
And the verdict wanting to catch the corner. He's fisted.
Come on, Casper.
Up goes the corner count again. Decided to take a short corner this time. Sissoko! Defended well.
Oh, nicely done, actually. That was half time.
Last half time at 1-0.
Oh, Max Aarons is a former Luton player as well, is he? I didn't know that, I don't think. I thought it was a Norwich youngster that just come through the Norwich youth system. I appreciate it, JM. He said that the host was up, so we'll wait and see. But thank you, my man. And Merry Christmas to you too.
Well, second half coming up, and I'm sure you're all looking forward to it. Spurs hold the cards at the moment.
We'll see what we can do in this second half against Spurs.
Davis.
I don't want to lose touch with those
Now Tongi Dombele.
at the top. We're obviously a little way away from Liverpool already. I want to at least finish top 4 with Leicester this year. To be fair, this is probably going to be my last season at Leicester in this save. I'm probably going to look to sign for someone else next season.
Madison.
But where that would be, I'm not sure. Or maybe we'll even get a job offer from someone. And it will force our hand. Lucas. Tielemans. Oh, that's a lovely turn. Mine's just done me though.
Yeah, really looking forward.
Yes, James Madison.
I think we're going to see some good football.
Oh, documentary with Gary Neville talking about 2022 World Cup. No, I haven't seen that. Where was that? Was it just on Sky, Tit? Gimme. Space to run into as well here for Ricardo Pereira.
The word has come through that Real Madrid have completed the deal for a player.
Oh, wow, Madrid.
For a while.
Oh. Oh. Oh! Now that's a smooth goal. That's sick. Love that. Level at home against Tottenham. Thanks for the follow, Mini Raspers. Ha! Just as they say us, or tell us that Marcus Rashford has gone to Real Madrid. That was a hell of a goal. Oh, it's on Sky's YouTube channel. I'll have to watch it, Tick. Thank you for making me aware of it. Sacked in the evening. You're getting sacked in the evening. Yeah, the Sky Sports YouTube channel.
It's Ben Davis. Now Tongi Dombele.
I'm friendly mod boy.
Now Kane.
You are.
Son.
It's true.
Tongi Dombele.
Oosh, get rid of that. Aye, aye, aye. That was terrible. Oh, don't.
Hey.
Oh, cheers, Harry.
That out well read.
Leave it. We'll have a goal kick. It's fine.
A goal kick. Well, this is the time where the managers really earn their money. It's going to be an alteration to try and improve the team.
They brought on Hakim Ziyech. Lucas has been non-existent in this game. I didn't realise he was on the bloody field of play. Bring Ryan Fraser on. Let's bring Schlager on. Try and get some game time out of him. He's left-footed, isn't he, Schlager? I'll have to remember that. Pretty sure he's left-footed anyway. Conditions the workers building stadiums. Oh yeah, no, I don't doubt it. They should never have been awarded the host anyway. Only because they bribed Sepp Blatter. Oh, how is that a foul? He's just run into me. Thanks for the follow, Wellard. Hashtag sin and ash in. Well, bell's coming off now anyway, so don't matter that he's booked.
Silly challenge, and you know, if he ends up getting sent off, he's only got himself to blame. Kane.
Ah, no. Aha. Aha. Balls. That's not necessarily gone according to plan there. It's definitely not a forward-thinking country, Tick, no. Or a progressive country. Nice shy. Thanks, horse. It's quite surreal going from playing with my FC Köln side to switching back to this Leicester team.
Time is ticking away here.
Ah.
Got too much of it left to deal in. The fans, though, racking up the atmosphere.
I can't wait to start the Leeds series. Hoping it can revive the channel somewhat. On YouTube, that is, obviously.
Hey. Good position for the cross. Difficult for the defender against the player who wants to take him on like this. Tip-top Tottenham today, I think. Played very well in their inventive
Tip-top
style.
Tottenham. What about Lip-Lop Leicester?
They would deserve to win the game if they can see it through. Promising forward play from them again.
Oh, ref. Was that not a foul?
Very good tackle. Ziyech. Kane.
Oh, Harry. No, you turned straight to Toby out. Run, Ryan! Run!
Still going towards goal.
Madison! Oh!
Well, that's a great stop, and they still lead.
Defeat.
That's the final whistle.
What was my favourite Christmas present? I mean, I haven't had any yet, so
Out to win every game, and I suppose every now and then something like this is going to come along. You underachieve, you
it's
underperform.
still Christmas Eve.
If you're not properly at it, if it's not 100.
So we lost to Tottenham. Balls. This is season 2, Cammy. Season 2, as you see there. Sunday, January 17th, 2021.
We just wanted to ask you a couple of questions.
Oh, did you really have to? It was good while it lasted. I didn't realise we were on an unbeaten run. Difficult game today. Players seem to be lacking confidence. They were low. Well, Bale was at least. I don't know why. I don't know why heads dropped. The lads did their best. I certainly tried my hardest in that game. I just couldn't quite find a way through.
Thank you, that's it for the questions.
Am I on bin bag duty tomorrow? What do you mean by bin bag duty? You mean am I the one sat there holding the bin bag that all of the wrapping paper goes in? Birdie Boy with a subscription. Merry Christmas, my man. Thank you for joining the crew. If you'd like the link to the Discord channel, then do let me know, and I'll whisper it to you. Chilwell's on his way back. That's good news. How long has he got until he's fit? 2 weeks back in training. Oh, James Forrest transfer talks are broken down. Merry Christmas to you too, my man. Thank you for subscribing and joining the gang. Boop, 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 ba-doo, boop. Beep. Oh, Jimbo. That's a good way to start. 1-0 after a minute. Oh, never mind, they've equalised. Never mind then. Nicola Pippy! He's got the email. Yeah, Birdie Boy, let me know if you want the link to the Discord, my man, and I can drop you it in a whisper. 4-1 win. What is that? Oh, it's a fangbanger. Come, what is that? Can't even figure out what that is. Oh, it's from Fortnite, is it? That's probably why I don't recognise it. Sure, you're welcome. Don't blame it on yourself, my man. Blame it on the weatherman. If you could stop beeping, well, that'd be appreciated. Top. The Czech international manager job. No, thank you. I trust that rotation side to beat Charlton, even though it's away from home. Get us through in the FA Cup, please. Lads. This. Yes. Yes, James Forrest. Jimmy Vardy as well. Let's go. Harvey Barnes on the score sheet from the bench as well. Fan Davidozi. Let's go. Round 5 of the FA Cup this season. You've always wanted to be a car. I don't want to be a car. Player injured. Oh, 3 days, James Justin with a dead leg. That's fine. Can we sell someone, please? I need some bloody money. Or not. Or not. Great. Get out my car. Brum, brum. We're a Palace 13th. We'll sim this. I'm in my mum's car. Brum, brum. Get out my car. No. Hey, Ted. Phil Common, mind if I find it? Oh, they missed a penalty. Let's sneak a win, shall we, lads? Thank you, Gareth. Oh, bloody hell. Let's sneak a winner, shall we, lads? Lads. Twats. Vroom, vroom. Well done, Nicola. Actually, I think the name of the girl in that Vine was Nicola as well, wasn't it? Get out of the car. So the top deals so far in this window, Martin Odegaard has gone to Liverpool for 39.2. David Neres has gone to Real Madrid to replace Martin Odegaard for 36.1. Samuel Umtiti has gone from Barca to Juve for 85.5. We haven't been able to raise any funds so far in this window, which isn't necessarily helping the whole improve the squad plan for this January transfer window. Is it, lads? Now, please, someone, transfer offer for Danny Ward. Yes. Transfer offer for Wilfred Ndidi. No. Sorry, West Ham. Sign Messi. I could maybe sign Messi's son, but actually signing Lionel ain't really part of the plan. What do you mean you've lost Gorgeous George? Are you going to agree terms, Danny Ward, or are you just going to... Alright, cool. So, I needed to sell someone to be able to bring someone else in, and I haven't been able to move anyone on whatsoever. So, that's really, really pleasing. So Bournemouth did nothing. Arsenal signed Paulsen and Sandro and let Mustafi go. Davy Prep is leaving Brighton. Chelsea have done nothing. Palace has done a little bit. Minamino in Everton, the other half of Merseyside. Obviously, he's just signed for Liverpool in real life. They've let Sandro go. Thomas is in at Fulham. We've done nothing. Martin Odegaard in at Liverpool. City did nothing. United did this. Such a quiet window. Everybody's out of money, it seems. Tottenham did nothing either. I don't know what's going on. Genuinely don't know what's going on. Nobody's got any money, apparently. If they do, they don't want to spend it. Training injury. Oh, fantastic. Oh, he's only 7 days. That's fine. I'm not going to sell James Maddison, especially to Bayern Munich. Next round of the FA Cup. Transfer for Siunchu. No. 208,000. Who have we got in the next round of the FA Cup, and when is it? Oh, we've got Napoli in the Europa League. And we've got Manchester City in the Cup. Ha! Why is the FA Cup being played on a Wednesday? GG EA. We've been doing this career mode for a couple of months, maybe, on and off. And it is stream only, pro, yes. Transfer for James Forrest. I could have done with that before. Transfer for Jamie Vardy from Manchester City. 3.6 million? You do realise you're Manchester City, right? You do realise you're one of the richest clubs in the world. He's valued at 11 million. You've offered me 3.6. Son of a bitch. Pep, you bastard. Absolute fraud. Release clause play for Matty James. Good. Go away. Oh, look. Transfer talks are broken down. Oh. It's Wolves away. It's Wolves away.
Thanks for waiting. We're now ready to take your questions.
Fraser's in good form. Nothing personal. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. We won't make the same mistakes twice. We lost to Wolves last time. Your recent performance put you in a good position to qualify for the Europa League. Our momentum isn't dropping. I want Champions League. I want Champions League, please. Wolves are 14th. That's got simulate written all over it. They've drawn their last three. Well, let's beat them then, shall we? Please. Please. Yes, Lucas. About time you did something in today's episode. I was watching Kevin Bridges yesterday. Funny. Yeah, Kevin Bridges is funny, to be fair. Sebastian. Sebastian. Oh, God, Napoli. This is going to be difficult. This is going to be... Oh, I love the Italian accent. I love the Italian language. It's so good. Rotation is key. Don't think we'll see Vardy. Nativity and Nativity 2. I've never heard of them. Napoli similar in strength to us. We must tread carefully. I don't know as Napoli are similar in strength to me. I think Napoli are probably better than me. Bennett! It's only the round of 32 as well, isn't it? Bloody hell. Oh, we'll be pretty in pink, I think, away from home. Actually, no, it's Europa League, isn't it? Oh, hello, Diego. Sup, cheese bags? Sup, Nathan? How's it going? You alright? How's life in the past? Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. What's that from? I can't remember what that's from. Home Alone. There you go. Oh, dude, I'm old, man. My brain forgets things. Allow me. Napoli. Mere Allen Klosterman at left back. Kevin Folland up top as well. All right. Fabian in midfield is going to be decent. I did see Ampadu's new haircut. Oh, it does look a spit of Jadon Sancho. Callejon. And away. No, please.
Well, he has to be regarded always as a dangerous opponent, but what should we expect to see from him in this game, Lee?
Well, as soon as you start putting the ball in the net, 3 goals in the last 3 games, that breeds confidence. And when you've got a player...
Oh, what a turn. Lucas. Ah! So close. EA's big team glitch. Stoke is undefeated in 16 games, winning 14. Ah, rip. Thanks for the follow, Flux. Welcome to the channel, dude. We are 4 away. 4 away from 9,400, sorry. Let's keep that going. Does he want to hit that any harder? I don't think so. Jesus. I didn't, King, you know. What did Ole Gunnar Solskjaer say about Pogba? Advantage Napoli. If we can get an away goal or 2, that would be great.
An important interception. Simone Verdi. It's with Lucas Klosterman. It's with Koulibaly.
Koulibaly.
Win the ball effectively. Fabian.
Oh.
He put it away.
Oh. Was he offside? He was.
Well, the goal will not stand.
He said that Pogba's the best midfielder in the world. I mean, there's a better midfielder in the city. Kevin De Bruyne is the best midfielder in the world. And I don't think anyone could argue against that, really.
Indeedy. Lucas with it. Good vision. Can he get onto this? And teammates to play it to. Well, he's thwarted him almost.
Kevin De Bruyne is actually ridiculous, you're right.
Morata in possession. Plays well.
Go away, Alvaro.
Morata holding it up, waiting for assistance. Kevin Folland.
Nice, Toby.
Loss of possession by Napoli. Making excellent progress with the ball at his feet.
Bury it.
Be able to set up.
Yes! There's the away goal. And Nick's arrived with 1,000,000 sparks as well. That goal's dedicated to you, my boy. It's going to pause the game, but let's adjust you. Where are you? Nick, up to 15. It doesn't move you up the table. It just moves you level with John. Thank you, mate. Merry Christmas, my man. Millie Christmas. Hey, I see what you did there.
A level contest, 1-1.
Thanks for the follow, Smithy. But I think you were already following, weren't you? Just cut bang from some Crimbo Eve drinkies in town. Nice. What was on the menu, drink-wise?
Kevin Fonant. Fabian. Morata. And Fabian again.
Fabian is so good.
Nicely.
Double spiced rum and coke, always. Captain Morgan's? Or something else? I think Captain Morgan's is probably the only spiced rum I can think of off the top of my head.
They've given it away.
Oh, Captain, my Captain.
And here's Alan. Morata.
Good save, Casper. Sailor Jerry's doing as well.
Is worth his weight in goal.
Well, he's earned his wages, hasn't he?
No, AJ, I haven't.
He had his focus. What a save.
The cross is on.
Okay.
Pulls it back.
Run, Gareth.
Blocked.
Run, Gareth.
Intense pressure.
Ah, he's offside.
Away.
I've not used Ryan Kent yet. Came up against him yesterday, didn't we? Ah, get to that. Yes, Jimmy boy. Oh, that was meant for Bale, but never mind.
Not really the ideal clearance.
Half time.
The first half here comes to an end. I think most fans would be pretty happy with this match.
They are in real life, Cameron, yeah. Unfortunately, we're not in this save. Parents are getting Christmas dinner ready already. I mean, to be fair,
Ball rolling in the second
depending on
half.
how big you go meal-wise, it does have to be prepared early, like super early. We've made a Christmas pudding for Boxing Day already.
Bale. Now Ndidi. On the ball, Morata. Callejon.
And I made chocolate brownies today.
Hesai.
I say I made chocolate brownies today.
The ball, but can they trouble
I used the
the
packet mix to make chocolate brownies today
Oh, nice ball.
for tomorrow.
Husai has teammates waiting inside the area.
Hey Sterling. How are you, my dude? Welcome to the channel, mate. Thanks for joining us.
Now to apply the pressure.
Callejon's going to have me for pace, isn't he? It's not even a foot race I want to try and win.
Enjoy bringing you live action on EA TV and Premier League action coming up. It's Leicester City facing Fulham.
Yeah, atmospheres make games, Derek.
Well, now I want brownies. Oh yeah, that's the thing. If you've had a few drinks, if I start talking about food, that's it. You're off.
In terms of
You're
whether the
finished.
transfer would go ahead, but it will go ahead, Lee.
Well, yeah, certainly a lot of focus on the...
Might be
Oh, Nicola, you're in. Ref! Ref!
nothing untoward happened.
You moron. I think you'll find that's a penalty.
They've given
Don't
it
know why
away.
I said it like that, but
Half an hour remaining
that's what
then.
happened.
Lucas with it.
Go on, Gazbaz.
Through.
And bend it home. Oh, what a finish. I'll be honest, I aimed for the other corner, but I'll take it. I'm good, thank you, Sterling. Thanks for the good luck wishes.
Well, as we can see, the keeper's done his best, but there's nothing he can do from there.
Did it take a deflection? No, it didn't. I genuinely tried to finesse that to the far corner,
Have another view of that
but
goal.
he's just buried that at the near post. Great finish. Golazo!
Favour Napoli. And let's find out about their attack now.
Similarly, Sin.
Fabian.
Give me. Well, yeah, we've got to get Ben Chilwell back in the starting lineup, haven't we? Keep playing.
Well, as we can see,
Vinagre.
Leicester have hardly had the ball, but again, we've seen it before, we'll see it
again. Their counter-attack play has been absolutely fantastic.
Oh, it's a great ball.
Well, visionary passing. Possession changes hands.
Balls.
The interception there.
Ah,
We're now inside the final 20 minutes of the game. And here's Alan. Fabian.
I've got Sterling. You might be the most polite person we've ever had in the stream. I do have Instagram, mate. Yes. If I do this. Okay, if I do that. There you go. In the other competitions, we're in the FA Cup 5th round, I think. We've got Manchester City coming up next. And in the league, we are 5th or 6th. So we're not doing terribly. Oh! Although we can count ourselves lucky not to have been pegged back at 2-2 just there. I want to make a change or two, I think. Let's take Bale off. Bring Fraser on. And Chowdhury can come on in the middle for Tielemans. Add a little bit of a hard man into the middle. Go a bit more defensive.
Absolutely amazing.
Go on, Gaz. Oh, I thought I could get to that. Oh, I have gotten to that. Don't really know how. LucasPace.com. Find a teammate or Husai. Find a teammate or Husai. Find a teammate. Find a teammate. Oh, Fabian. Oh, keep looking at chat and not paying attention where I'm actually running.
Really electric. Time is running out though.
Volleymers. What are you doing? Oh my god, he went for the second one with his head as well. Why is he... Oh my god. What happened there? I need to refresh so I've got the clipping ability actually. I was going to clip that but I can't. Vardy hasn't retired yet, no. Although he's 34, I think. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you too, my man. He's still 80 rated, exactly, Nick. So yeah, he's still in the 80s, so to speak, if 80 counts. I'm not entirely too sure what Casper... I mean, I shouldn't have played it through the air to him in the first place, but I asked him to volley this, and he's let it bounce and then headed it up. And then as he goes towards this, watch him, he goes to head this as well. There's a thumbnail for you. I could like remove the, you know those. What you could do is Photoshop the ball out and then do a spot the ball competition. Cass was like. James
Maddison. Given away.
Well, the Napoli fans making an incredible noise in here right now. Can they urge their team forward to get back into this?
Oh, ref! Where's the foul on Ake?
Morata! What great excitement. And the match is level.
Where's the foul on Ake then?
Well, you tell youngsters in that position just to hit the target.
Cheers.
You can't score unless you do.
Merry
And on this
Christmas to
occasion,
you
he does,
too,
and he
Napoli.
scores.
Well, let's take another look at that goal.
Arseholes.
And level again here. This has been quite the roller coaster ride. Poor pass under no
Nathan Ake just got RKO'd.
It's with Alan. Fabian. It's with Verdi. Napoli still trying to make something happen in the closing moments. It's still level. Not giving him a moment's peace. Oh goodness, he was right on top of the situation to get the ball.
To be fair, a
back.
2-2 draw away from home isn't the worst. I'll take it. But 2-1 win would have been better and more preferred. But never mind, eh? There's always next time. Paddle. Hey, Catch Me, how are you, my man? Would giving Vardy a chance not a priority? Wouldn't have really. I haven't seen it yet, Aaron. I've not been on Ultimate Team since 6 o'clock, but I will check it out. Surely the late Napoli goal wasn't part of the game plan. No, it certainly was. That's football, though, unfortunately. Morata is one of the best players for the opposition. Ah, bollocks to Morata. Concentrate on what we can do better. Yeah, I'm good, thank you, mate. Happy Christmas, my dude. I think Nick did do Mendy, yes. Grazie mille. Oh, shock. Someone didn't agree contract terms. Had to buy Walker instead of Cancelo to make the team work. I mean, they're both as good as each other, to be fair. No, we got knocked out in the League Cup, I think. I'm pretty sure. Moving Luca Hernandez to left centre back and Cruz to left centre mid. Yes, good way to do it. Scream Cruz, obviously. Ah, go away, Calvin Stings. Oh God, they've missed the penalty as well. Don't lose to Fulham. Beat Fulham. Score a goal. Score a goal. Score a goal. Score. No, not you. Yay! Score another. Score another. Score another. Score another. Bollocks. Schlager wants to play. You want to play against Napoli? Ugh, I'll consider it, but I don't think so, my friend.
Hello, good to see you all here.
Hello! What was that all about?
You'll all get a turn.
Nothing personal. I mean, Nathan Ake is going to play, so... He was so happy. He was like, hello! Welcome to the press conference for Leicester City versus Napoli in the Europa League round of 32. Favourite player of all time? I'll show you, in fact. I'll show you who my favourite player of all time is. Let me save this career mode because we'll switch over to console now for some Ultimate Team. Thank you very much for watching on the second channel on YouTube. If you're wanting to watch this series live, then follow the link in the description to the stream. But for now, on stream, we're going to switch over to Ultimate Team. So I'll stop the recording, but the stream will continue. See you later, lads.